Is it for you do it, you go inside. Cook it for the elders and for the team. Blessed love, Stacy. Give thanks to all the donors. Blessed love.
Yeah, man, Stacy, only for love, you know. Yeah, man, it was a love and a tough love, you know, something soft, you know.
Soft.
Yeah, man, Stacy, man, love, you know.
Really love.
Man, you know? Yeah, man.
So what we chef?
Come to the gym team and thing, man, you see? Yeah, man, you see me?
We have 3 chefs in the kitchen.
The very first thing they asked me, Kino, Colors, have you still chucking off in the jacuzzi? I said, what you just said? I can't stop. I couldn't stop chuck off in the jacuzzi and I slept so much. Yeah, I don't sleep, you know, I slept. Yeah. So, like, hear them some of the time now, you know, and again, liquor, man, I have to big up your nephew, Kino. Trust me, yeah. Love your Kino, brother. Trust me. Sometimes I want to cry, but, you know, so, hold it back.
Yeah.
Tell a little Kino, brother, you change it. Most of it, you change your life, brother. Trust me. Change it. Because this morning, I lay down in the bed there and watch. Because Kino, we did out a flight from Tuesday, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Zaka zo. And we have Wormy B, Sexy B over here, so.
Yeah, man. Food kill the strength, see me, never stop.
There in the kitchen. Curry and beer things. And we have shrimp.
Back, you know?
We say the back come back.
Yeah, man, the back come back, man. Jamaica.
Now it's back again.
Glad it come back right now,
yeah. It's a come back, cocoa back. You know, come back, chicken back.
Oh, mackerel for deer on the back.
Mackerel
for deer on it, 380 for a big mackerel. Yeah, man.
380 for a big mackerel?
1 pound at back, $180. No, man.
Something wrong.
Wrong, man. You know, what about the original pound, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Original. So today we have what? So today we have the national dish.
Yes, man.
And we have some shrimp, worm that you are dealing with, and some pumpkin rice. I go and baby down.
Yeah.
And you know we have the 3 artists, we have the 3 chefs there.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we say Zaka Zo and Wormy B. They in the kitchen again. So you know we say Stacy, we have to give thanks to Stacy. Stacy from the UK.
Yeah, man.
Stacy from the UK.
Yeah, so
Stacy love.
The Stacy from the UK provide the meal, so we have to give thanks every time.
Stacy from the UK. I tell you,
She's been a regular donor, you know? She's been a regular donor to the program.
Yeah, man, Stacy from the UK, man. Only for blessing, you know? No love, you know? Yeah, man.
Sure. Yeah, man. God bless you, Stacy, you know. Thank you for your support.
For the garlic of it, you know?
So the garlic are for a crush.
Yeah, man, crush and put one side like, you know?
Three chefs in there, so you got
garlic here. Garlic here inside, you know, clean out a lot of things, you know?
And the garlic.
Yeah, man, go for your nicotine, you know, rest by your chest, and the garlic, just clean it off, you know? Yeah, man, garlic, you know, tell you, man.
Boy,
garlic a big thing.
Yeah, man.
Good food.
Boy, I say good for the nicotine, you clean it out for your chest, you know?
Yeah, man. Garlic, man. That's some love garlic, you know. Garlic tea.
Everything like that.
Garlic, that you go and tell everything you have to plan on garlic tea like
Yeah.
you know, man, like a banana get iron. Only for iron to this gear, you know. Yeah, man, clean out the system, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Love
yeah.
garlic, man.
Yeah. The zaga so with the big pot of curry, yeah. The zaga so burn the curry first. Yes? Oh, yeah. You see the curry and the jelly is nice. And bun it out so the curry smells so good.
Smell it already?
Nice, good. Oh yeah, smells good.
Best right there, you know?
You go cover the shrimp in here.
Yeah, but I call it shrimp, man.
Cover the shrimp. You know, when Oliver and Carla touch down, then I will taste the national dish. Oliver and Carla touch down. Come on the green tea shop. Come taste the national dish. See there? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oliver and Carla. Oliver and Carla was sending a donation to the whole chef to get him in Chester jar and in dresser and also in bed. And also we have a good start to the whole chef also. You know. Thank all the donor them and reach out so far to the whole chef. So give thanks. We give thanks to all the donors and reach out to the whole chef. You see, every day the whole chef in the kitchen have to do this. You know, every day. I will thank them all for reach out so far. So I'm going to tell you, it's a blessing because it wasn't for honor. We wouldn't know how far we are reached. And for the meal them at daytime, thank all the donor them to reach out. You know, so the dream team can eat something.
Yeah, man.
So them and the elder them. So everything so back up and running, you know. We so start drop pickaxe in the ground. Black so start lay again. Mortar mix. You know, concrete. And everything I go and do it. You see me I say?
Pumpkin rice.
And right now we have pumpkin rice now.
Boil up in a pot.
I'm going to start boil very soon. We have pumpkin in a pot. Pumpkin rice with the curry. National dish.
Yeah. Thanks to the donors, them will keep going active in the field same way every day. You see, give thanks. You see, and to the donor who bless Amelia, Stacy. You see, give thanks, blessed love. Keep doing what you're doing, because we are keep in the kitchen. You see, for you do it, we go inside. Cooking for the elders and for the team. Blessed love, Stacy. Give thanks to all the donors. Blessed love.
Yeah, man, Stacy, only for love, you know. Yeah, man, it was a love and a tough love, you know, something soft, you know.
Soft.
Yeah, man, Stacy, man, love you, you know.
Really love.
Man, you know. Yeah, man.
So what chef?
Come to the gym team and thing, man, you see? Yeah, man, you see me?
We have 3 chefs in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to do our chef. We're going to make zaga zo and we're going to
Straight.
go and do the cutting up. So they can just give to a donation after like how I'm there. So they can just, you know, get your hand clean up and everything so you can go back to it after. Whoa, whoa, so whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, man. Ready to know dinner, you know?
Yeah, wow, chef. So
Dinner, you know?
we have some donations for you. I have a donation from Unknown from Canada.
Unknown from Canada.
Yeah, $4,000 from Unknown from
Unknown from
Canada.
Canada. Unknown. Yeah, man, unknown, man. Long time, you know? Enough love and respect, you know.
Yeah.
See me as unknown. A long time in a year your name still, you know, but they are same way, man. See, unknown.
So unknown name, unknown.
Yeah, enough love, enough respect, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, unknown, man, you know?
Unknown. I also have Stacy as well. Same Stacy providing me right now for us. Stacy said $5,000 for the wow chef. $5,000 for the wow chef. You know? So everybody will look out towards the material.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Stacy. Enough love and respect, you know. Yeah, they got the general too, you know, side of here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so enough love, enough respect. Holy father, you know. Yeah. You basket team, you know.
Yeah.
Team, you them do the thing, you know. You see?
Sure.
And you come on, you know, just for the love. Yeah, man, need it, you see? Holy for love, you know. Dream team. Team, you know.
I also have $5,000 as well from Julia towards the material, same way. So this is a Julia as a regular donor to the program, same way. Julia from the UK as well.
Julia from the UK. Holy for love and enough respect, you know. You can't stop loving you, you know. And I say, there you see all the dream team.
Same way.
Deal the things and you know, you them there, you know.
Yeah.
For the money, you know, it's love, you know. But only for love and respect. Every time, man, is it?
Twice. I will also have Kim and Angie from Toronto, Canada. Kim and Angie, $11,000 from Kim and Angie from Toronto, Canada. Love Beer Station. Yeah.
From Toronto, Canada. Toronto, Love Beer.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, big up my disc jockey in a long time, you know, Shanty Blow on, you know?
Yeah, and TY.
TY, you know, you see me? You don't forget to the man, Love Beer.
Whoa.
Enough love. I love being the name, and that's why I have enough love in my heart, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see?
Pure love.
Because all the Love Beer, love Happy Night. Enough love, see that? Too hard, me have the one you say, you know, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You up the Love Beer Station. Whoa. #1 radio station.
Yeah, man. Love Beer.
Yeah.
Enough love, enough respect, man. You see me, I say?
Every time.
Toronto.
Canada.
Canada, man. Pablo General.
Big up
Man,
yourself.
not forgotten either, you know. Enough love and respect to you, Pablo.
Pablo,
Yeah.
large up.
Large up yourself in a Pablo General.
And we also have a donation from Miss Inez. Inez, they must give you $1,000 from Miss Inez from the USA.
Yes, Miss Inez.
It's a blessing.
Enough love. And even though the $1,000 you can't do right now.
Yeah.
That's the pot put on. When I line up the $1,000.
Can buy a nail. Can buy a nail.
Big nail. Yeah, man, can buy nail. Can buy stop lead. Can buy any little thing it can buy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Inez. I know enough love. No, yeah.
Twice.
Twice, you know, my city, you know. Yeah, man, but you know, love everywhere else, you know, but New York, my city. Twice, man. Yeah,
So
man.
when you love it once, you have to love it
Yeah, man,
twice.
cause you don't know, you can't, at one New York, you know, but we big. Two of them, a two state now one.
Yeah.
New York, twice, you know. Yeah, man.
Every time.
Toronto, Canada, respect, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so give thanks to all the donors that have reached out so far
Yeah,
to the
man.
wow chef.
It's all
You know,
thanks to
it's
the
a
donors.
blessing.
Holy for respect, you know, yeah. No fluff to all the donors, them, you know. One team,
And a dream team, the only real team.
The team, the team are lame, you know. You just sit back and watch what go on in the community, so. Everything so up and running again, man.
Yeah.
Although it start already, you know.
Yeah, slowly but surely
Yeah,
we
man,
get
slowly
in
but
there.
slowly, you know. Start already, you know. Yeah, man, but. Now see, man, that's enough more thing, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man, that's enough more thing, man, my people, man.
Alright then, G.
Yeah, I'm having my heart in a holy for love, enough love.
The kitchen now like one bubble.
Yeah, man, in the kitchen, I go and get the things up and running, you know.
Yeah.
I say, enough love, myself, yeah? Tell team! What
On
team?
the team.
Yeah, man, one team, you know, general. You can then prepare for one, you know?
Bubble butter bubble. Bubble butter bubble. Bubble butter bubble. Mustard bubble. I want to start it. East minute.
Go on, man.
Bubble butter bubble. Bubble butter bubble. See my run out.
Come on, go on, man.
Alright.
It means I like the spoon, man. See it? Yeah, man, the national dish, you know, it's back.
It's back.
Yeah, man, national dish is back in a fine, you know.
Home sweet home.
There's Kino about Sunday.
Not tell him, yeah, don't ever tell him. Yeah, man, see that? And the pumpkin rice and all that. Yeah, man, that come in, look.
You not start
You
yet?
start it.
You not start yet?
That come.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, so. Enough love to my people them out there, you know, you see me? Every time, you know, enough love, you know.
Yeah.
New York, England, Japan, Germany, all about. Yeah, man, the gym team, you them love, you know. Toronto. Yeah, man, enough love. Yeah, man.
Not Tish. She's here on the headquarters. Not Tish.
You only have to do it, boy. Sushi happy come and send us also jazz. When happy tap. Right, that's what I'm going to do.
I'm come first, man.
You soon know.
Then. What go on?
There.
What the work I go on? Work I go on see me.
Then the man them are working on them not giving a time here. Them so put us hold on because you way that go on at the place.
Oh.
So then he kinda ease off. But I still the man in a week still and him say come give me a link weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, so then kinda busy and the place we hot.
Yeah.
So them are watch and see what go on.
Yeah. It's understandable because to go on, you know. Hopefully them can come back here and finish it off.
Yeah. I'm safe anything.
Because it never did nothing from the last time though.
No.
It will remain the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give thanks. So I have a donation for you from Miss Burke. See me, Miss Burke from the UK. Yeah, because she watched the program and she saw what you've been going through and what you've been trying to accomplish. You know, you have Miss Burke from the UK. She sent $19,000 for you. From Miss Burke from the UK, 19,000.
Thanks. Thanks, Miss Burke from the UK. Big blessing. God bless you. May that your food basket never empty. And keep safe from the COVID and the new virus that come out the name Delta. Yeah, and I'll be keeping safe as well. So thank you very much. Bless us.
Yeah, we give thanks.
Give that thanks.
We give that thanks. And how your pressure now?
Pressure the pan normal level, you know, 120 is still the normal original. Over 80.
Okay.
Yeah, I take my vacation, man.
So you're on the right part then?
Yeah, for the on the right part.
About the athlete up back, you know?
No, man, I'm not athlete up, man.
Just keep yourself healthy, see you, man.
Yeah, that
and
me do.
hold it up.
See
So you work on the front line today?
Yeah, on the front line.
Because you're a trained nurse?
No, I'm a janitor.
Are you a janitor?
Yeah, janitor. Right.
So you're still there on the front line?
You're still in the front line, see you,
so
yeah.
you have to take care of yourself and make sure so you stay safe.
Yeah.
You know, everything by the protocol, if you follow it.
Yeah.
And we go already. So we give thanks to Miss Burke from the UK.
From the UK, thanks. Bless up to you and your family there, Miss Burke.
So you know that can put towards some kind of material or any little thing towards the workman them, so the work can continue because we want to see it finish and
yeah,
know say.
we want to see it finish too.
Yeah, and know say the thing you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Kids them comfortable, you know, because it really touch her.
Yeah.
And she say like, wow, she's much of them in one small space, you know, really confined, and 3 of them have to sleep on the ground and 3 on the bed, and she kind of find it hard when she realizes, yo, you really have to go through that, you know.
Yeah.
So she'd have to really reach out, because she's been trying to do so. When I finally get through, you know, she send the donation towards.
Man.
So we give thanks, Miss Burke. God bless you and your food
Miss
basket.
Burke, and may that your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, so as what you said, the work is kind of paused now because of what's going on.
Yeah, the work man them.
Yeah.
The work keep paused because we don't go into the community. Community the act.
And the
violence, yeah, and the work man them
that do something.
and them are do something now. So them come check me and say weekend if God, if anything possible. You understand? Because through the violence, they never get to do nothing much. Everybody have to stay in. So nobody no one gets hurt. So you have to stay in.
Because that's how it is. You have to stay in.
You have to stay in,
So you have material and everything already for one time. Them
come, yeah man.
When you have them all them things they put down, you don't have to worry. So you know when them come, they can get to work same way. And let's make sure so they don't run out of material. So the sooner the better. Sooner the better. And let's go and drink a lot of water. Less salt, less sugar. You know, go already. Less stress. You know, stay positive.
Saturday I'm birthday next year now. And I hear Tuesday.
24th of my one,
Tuesday I hear one.
You got the May August.
Yes, Saturday I might not Tuesday I hear.
Yes, me are the same. Because oh wait there. Oh yeah, Leo. Yeah, you are Leo.
Virgo.
You are Leo.
Oh, Leo.
Me are Virgo. Yeah. So we are the same month. We're gonna celebrate, man. You know, I'm gonna there and cook some food and well vibes with the team for my birthday, and you know, and we're all just merry. You know, every year was a birthday, so it's every day thing. So celebration soon. Cook some food at the shop, man, and give and just drink and well vibes.
True.
Yes, people. So this month is my birthday, 24th.
24th.
You know, right around the corner.
Remember, man.
You know. Hey, one more year again upon earth.
Give God thanks.
Give God thanks. Many gone.
And still there.
Still there.
True, man.
So, one more year upon earth. Give thanks.
One more year again upon them.
Alright then. Dennis, go and do the right thing, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Joan.
Oh,
go on. Dennis' mom.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's my big son.
Big son around there, so.
Yeah.
How old is your grand too? Joan with the most grand.
Me I tell you.
Grand, how much grand you
got? Start getting one EPA. Me? 7.
7 grand you get? Oh, you're not going too bad.
How much?
My 5. My 5 grand if you get 7 grand. My 5, Rosie 3 and Shabba 2.
No man, that's too much.
Them too much.
Too much.
10
grand you have.
10. So much? Yeah. My 5, Rosie 3 and Shabba 2.
Don't try not breathe again.
This is Joan can't have a keep count anymore.
I tell you, I don't like my one, when I keep count.
Yeah.
You understand? Me have 7, them gone left me.
Them gone left you. Your grand's one grand.
Yeah, man.
Glad
everybody there, I'm glad to see your Kino and everything.
Yeah.
You understand? And keep up the good work, same as I always tell you out the road.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work, man, because you're better than enough of them.
Yeah.
10 times better than enough of them. You understand? I'm glad for the way you do. Glad all the while, me tell you that.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work, Dad, and God go with you. You understand?
I
and
hear
hold your
Joan
family them.
too,
And bless up Tweet and Mikey and your sister. Yeah, the whole of them. And bless up the crew or the crew.
Dream
team. One team. Yeah. God go with you now.
Alright. I'm going to do the right thing. You know,
yeah, man.
Already. Dream team, one team. Alright then. And your son, the son. At the ball of that.
Corey.
Yeah,
you come down in here, mate.
Bala.
You're not Bala.
I'm not Bala. No. So Cracksman flick one over him head, so?
Yeah, Corey Cracksman flick one over your head.
Yeah. He have potential still.
Time I want to come out one time.
Yeah. He have potential, he can play ball. So you know, so at least you have talent in the family. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yes, yeah man, so just give thanks and go on with the faith here. So give thanks to all the donors then that reach out. God bless you and thank you so much for your support. Blessings. Where the colours?
Just waking out of the jacuzzi, Kino.
Yeah.
You know how long I've been sleeping, man?
I can see it in just wake.
Oh my, Kino, it's the first I find myself sleeping like this.
Yeah.
Who make it happen? You and the donors over there. Donors, man, I have to love them, man.
Well, I wish we could have get so much sleep like you.
On the tour. Oh my gosh, donors right now, bro. Wanna make colors living in style. I'm not lying, Kino. The donors, they make me living in style. Kino, you know who me see Friday gone?
Oh.
You remember when you didn't get one?
Sophia and Courtney.
Alright.
They sent me the picture.
Yeah. They send it.
Yeah.
Virgin.
They sent me the picture with the hand them.
Baby, my daddy help one lady. Me go see this girl come hold me answer call it. Juki, come here, man. So when I go down here, you know, this is Courtney. But Courtney, I can't believe I don't remember the man in the baby. You used to work at the airport. Me say when Courtney see me in the outfit, Kino, oh my gosh. Calling, wow.
Whoa.
You see the bridge, you know, too, the pictures. They gave him $20 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she told me she helped you celebrate your birthday, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
My birthday at the 24th of the month.
Yeah, she tell me, bro. Loan pictures.
Yeah, and she sent me the pictures. I'm like, oh, she's like, look.
I know she told me. Because she said she have your digit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kino, everybody doing it to you already more than one time.
Really?
Yeah.
Everybody pass after the pan, like they were saying, damn, who is that superstar there?
Yeah.
Why so many people around him?
Yeah.
Kino, donors, me love you so much, Bridget. Me love you so much. We can't stop talking about one donors. Trust me, because right now, you change my life completely, bro. Yes, Kino, and everybody love when me keep the cottage up to date, Kino. Yeah, remember, it was like one fall coming, so it's turned a cottage now.
Now.
So you know me have to upgrade it.
Look colors, look.
And then all the ladies, they love how me keep.
That's for you, you know.
What is this?
That's for you colors.
Oh my gosh.
That is
kidding,
for.
Bro. What kind of money is that, man? Oh, little will could take it up.
Yeah. That is from.
Courtney and one girl.
Sophia.
Then he said, they saw me at the airport Friday. Loan excitement over there. Be a picture and thing, everybody apart.
Let's go up on the sidewalk beside him.
Yeah.
So colors?
Yeah.
We got 2 boxes here.
2 boxes?
2 boxes.
Oh wow.
You know, not box.
Boxes?
We got 2 boxes from Secret Place of the Most High.
Secret Place of the Most High?
Yeah.
Oh
so
my
that's the
gosh.
Secret Place of the Most High.
Thank you very much.
Secret Place of the Most High.
I'm a thank Nurse Jackie too, because I still have a couple of things what she sent me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So now you have 2 boxes here from the Secret Place of the Most High.
Secret Place of the Most High. Oh my!
You smell the fabulous.
That's what I'm saying. Wow!
You see
Wow!
Big buckle of fabulous.
Wow! Damn! So I ain't have to buy no more.
For now.
For now.
Place sweet up.
Yeah, liquor just I wake up out. Just I tell Kino liquor just getting up out of jacuzzi. And you see we have a lovely phone there where we just buy.
You just buy another phone? Oh yeah, cause you tell me so.
Chocolate bought it for me because remember the one I told you it got messed up.
Yeah.
A banana, you show Kino now? Yeah, that's a biddy and
banana.
Yeah, take it from her now and show.
Yeah, that's the S10.
Wow.
Yeah, one of baby friend, she go buy downtown for me.
Yeah.
Because Kino, when me hustle money at airport, you know, I don't want people feel say I do rubbish with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, either I buy something for the cottage, me buy me color clothes.
Yeah.
And see now, me did out of one phone.
Yeah.
So me give the girl the money and she go get the phone for me, man.
So wait, so your tongue ain't gone too?
Tongue in a all kind of different way, bro. Yeah.
That one they knew a while ago.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So what's in the next box?
I don't know.
You don't. Okay, banana.
It's a pretty sheet set.
Oh my gosh.
Let's say it's a colorful sheet set.
It's women I got to do with sheets. Women I got to do with 2 brushes. Oh my gosh.
And you get bath soap.
Wow.
And this is nice, you know, when they use that wash.
Wash the clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna get a charge. Okay, chocolate.
Yeah, so that's the Secret Place of the
Most High. Every time. My respect and thank you so much. Secret of the Most High, Selassie. Yeah, oh me, oh my. Yeah, Kino, why doing as the way I love you now? Jesus Christ. Liquor at the Kino. I don't know a joke thing. At the first me ever asleep, so. Liquor, remember when the piece of phone could be there around there? Me did, I'm so tormented. You know that it turned cottage.
You're so blessed now.
I slept. Oh my, sometimes I don't want to get up to buy food, bro. Because the jacuzzi is around here so comfortable.
No stop sleep.
When I pee, Kino, one thing I love, you say anybody watch a program little, anytime they are at airport. From they get out, no, the phone don't in it. From they get outside and they saw colors. Oh my God, calling, loud screaming. Yeah, like it's like they see a movie star.
It's Michael Jackson.
Oh my, the very first thing they ask me, Kino, colors, have you still chucking off in the jacuzzi? I said, what you just said? I can't stop. I can't stop chuck off in the jacuzzi, and I slept so much. Yeah, I don't sleep, you know, I slept. Yeah. So, like, hear them some of the time now, colors, have you ever been in the States before? I said, nay. Because you hear them talking. You got me. Yeah, I never flew before, you know, but never flew.
Never flew.
That's them love me so still in the car. You know them I say? I always make them a laugh and you know, and again, liquor man, I have to big up your nephew Kino. Trust me, yeah. Love your Kino, brother. Trust me. Sometimes I want to cry, but you know, so hold it back.
Yeah.
Tell a little Kino, brother, you change it. Most of it, you change your life, brethren. Trust me. Change it. Because this morning, I lay down in the bed there and watch. Because Kino, we did out a flight from Tuesday, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the lightning hit out
Transformer.
the transformer. And after sleep, it's some little candle. When I buy, I want to shop up there. So buy me light when I walk, go down there. They out. So I have to end up by tree. Boring. So we got light now, man. And we were watching the flat screen this morning.
Yeah.
But we fell asleep. Yeah, I couldn't believe seeing that. Yeah.
Alright, colors.
Stop talking about the donors, them. And you know, who more big up Love Bear. Yeah, don't feel me forgotten in a Love Bear.
Alright then, big up the Love Bear
team to a liquor, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, so liquor taking these up the cottage from me.
Yeah, I can't manage.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm out now.
Out.
I'm out.
Out.
If you're not laughing at that time,
Yeah, I tell you.
he slept.
He slept.
Nice.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.